Hey, plant lovers! Ever wished for a thriving green oasis without the upkeep? You're in for a treat. Today, we've curated a collection of stunning faux potted plant ideas that'll transform any space. From lifelike succulents to lush tropical wonders, we've got it all. Stick around for a botanical journey that'll redefine your decor game. Let's dive in.
Fox plants can be a fantastic addition to your home or office decor. They require minimal maintenance, look great year round, and can add a touch of to any space. Here are some fox plant ideas and creative ways to incorporate them into your decor. Potted fox trees. Fox trees, such as fiddle leaf figs or olive trees, can serve as striking focal points in any room. Place them in decorative pots or baskets for a more realistic look. Hanging fox plants. Artificial hanging plants like ivy or string of pearls can add a touch of greenery to your ceiling or high shelves. They are perfect for small spaces or rooms with limited floor space. Succulent arrangements. Fox succulents come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Create eye-catching arrangements in your decorative pots, terrariums, or succulent gardens. They can also be used as centerpieces. Artificial flower banquets. Fox flowers can add color and elegance to your decor. Consider creating banquets or placing them in vases to brighten up your space. You can also mix and match different flower types for a more vibrant look. Topiaries. Fox topiaries, whether in the form of balls, cones, or spirals, add a classic touch to your decor. Place them on mantels, console tables, or outdoor patios. Moss walls. Fox moss can be used to create green walls or accent walls. It can add a natural and calming element to your space. Wreaths. Fox foliage wreaths are versatile and can be used year round. Hang them on doors, walls, or even use them as table centerpieces by placing a candle in the center. Fox grass. Artificial grass or turf can be used indoors and outdoors. It's a great choice for creating a small indoor putting green, outdoor play areas, or for adding greenery to the balconies. Fox herb garden. Create a fox herb garden in your kitchen by placing artificial herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint in pots. They add a fresh and fragrant element to your cooking space. Custom arrangements. Don't be afraid to get creative and make your own fox plant arrangements by mixing and matching different types of fox plants and pots to suit your decor style. Vertical gardens. Fox plants can be used to create gardens on walls. This is a space saving and visually appealing option for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Bonsai trees. Fox bonsai trees add a touch of zen and can be placed on coffee tables, bookshelves, or as centerpieces. Window boxes. Fox flowers and greenery in window boxes can add a charming and colorful touch to your window sills, even if you don't have a green thumb. Table centerpieces. Create unique table centerpieces by arranging fox plants, flowers, and candles in a decorative tray or bowl. Remember to dust or clean your fox plants regularly to keep them looking fresh and realistic. Fox plants are a versatile and low maintenance way to bring the beauty of nature into your living spaces without the need for constant care and attention. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel